we just got some packages. But before we get into that, I want to discuss something that I just got the other day from a fellow YouTuber. I got this t-shirt from J. Cool. You might have seen I've done a collab with him in the past, but he sent out this t-shirt and another one for me to show y'all. And I'm pretty sure he's got a website coming out pretty soon. I'll keep y'all up to date on that. But I definitely think y'all should go subscribe to him and then pick yourself up a shirt whenever his website drops. But now, let's get into these packages. One more little thing before we start. Sorry about my voice. I lost it this past week. It's understandable, but like my voice is understandable right now. But it cracks here and there, so just like be patient with that, please. All right, now let's get into these packages. I'm gonna be super careful with this one. I cannot cut this. We got some brand new tires. Now, some of y'all may know, I got some tires in the past. They're like off-road tires. But these ones are more for the street. I don't really do off-roading that much because this stuff's not really off-roading like. Got these little tire cords. But these ones should do way better on the street. All right, now we got them all unfolded. I think they look really good. They got a nice pattern. But before we install these, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the other box. Yeah, let's get into that one. All right, so I'm really excited for this one. This one's not a bike part, but it is gonna be a very important part of this channel, or in my videos and stuff. So some of y'all may know in the past I got a new DJI camera, and I've been just using raw audio of that camera, but now we got a DJI mic mini. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very nice packaging. We got an instruction manual. Holy. Tons of different kinds of languages and all that. You don't need that though. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Tag here. And we're gonna open up this nice little packaging that they provided. We got the charger cable. We got little wind protectors. We have, I don't know what this is. The little charger port. Wow, look how small this is. This is gonna be a tiny little mic. What else do we got here? A little silica gel. Save that as a little snack for later. All right, and then we got the mic itself. I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a little magnet on the back. But this is a tiny mic. Like, look how small that is. It's crazy small. I can just clip that to my shirt or my helmet strap, and I'll be good to go. So this should bring a lot better audio for my videos in the future. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start installing these new tires. I'm just gonna have a time lapse going and me installing them because it's pretty much a straightforward process. And yeah, I'll start with that time lapse and I'll probably check in here and there, and then we're gonna go ride them and test out the new mic and all. Let's get into it. As y'all can see, I'm starting off with the back tire because that's gonna be the one that's harder to do, and then I'm gonna make my way up to the front tire. All right, we're out riding the wrist star now. We got the new tires on. I think they look really good. It took a little longer than I thought it would because I was having problems putting the back tire back on, but they are looking really good. They're nice street tires, which I've been wanting for a while because I mainly ride on the street and they're better for wheelies and all that good stuff. I'm also using my new mic now. Hopefully y'all like the audio. And like I said earlier, my voice is kind of gone right now, but it'll be better next video. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of the tires. And now we're gonna go ride the bike. I probably won't be wheeling too much in this video because I need to change out my back brakes, or need to change out my back brake pads, but I'll try a little quick one real quick. As y'all can see, I'm getting a little better. I hadn't been able to ride for about a week or so. So they're not too great right now. I'm a little washed, but yeah, they are getting better. So just be patient with me, please. I'm gonna do a burnout real quick to get these tires warmed up.
I wish I had a camera on back. I wish I could.
All right. These tires feel so smooth, dude. I really like the street tires rather than the dirt tires. So I mostly ride street anyways. And they're still fat tires. And these tires like this, they squeak so much when you lock up the wheel. So it sounds like a car is drifting, which sounds pretty cool. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If y'all enjoyed, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Drop down a comment of anything you think I should do next on the channel, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.